for good afternoon. Biji senya mi adumu bi ahu ye. Na nsemu nua ba ma yehye kakra, ma yehye pa. Cases no edoso. Esese me koni nyina na me boabua ni nyina no na yesua ho ade ne yebo ho enkomo. Nti me pa chaw oba ewie na wa like page no na wa share edi amami. Ewie ni yeye no mesraw like na share efa emami. Maka chaw say court Nkomo pe ena ye ma story no na ye de chilemu ka ho a na ya ma pictures ana ya ma videos a edi adanse ye say ne ye ka no na ye te ho na ye wo ho trodo me ba che wo ba share fa mame obebi sa say na sister ma wan na nam court Nkomo TV ba cho sister Deborah, Auntie Debo. Aha. Dickin girlfriend. Dickin girlfriend. No. Mr. Wa. It be Dickin inside chick. Check and a chick. Hey, Modiamo. And see, no pato to me can abra pa share for mammy. Sister ya, my feel papa. Oh, sister ya. Me am sister ya ba pope. Me ba na wa share edi amame me be ma di no ababa wa no na oba o she blue skirt ne bag sign in sound kama ona ne tina se wada minim se ye gold se ye yellow aha sister no me pa cho sister Deborah no me hu pa cho ba na wa share Augustine Edu Jenfi or sister ama greetings so greetings me pa chow oba na wa share edi ama pa chow share na yenko on share sister ya so nim se ma feel enti ababa awa no aha oba fefe oba kama ena opie no ena oyi ni workers so sister neighbor no dem me post no wa hwe ba cho ba sister neighbor sister Deborah aha sister Deborah ni one sister no crack bag no wa sha se coat bi sa so hu as a jam suit bi as a coat bi sa no so hu aha and wa she in a white the bag is sent in saso fefe and ambrea tintin di nachi ni tin minutes wa dan say go say they kala brother sister maybe I show you see court it's sister neighbor sister ni but you tin kala na ye kala be ya some other cause keep it up. Thank you. Bacho kala benya Grace for cause good evening and good job. Me that say. Me bacho ene Safinatu Mohammed and so there was drama. Drama ba me bechiro. Ebe yo nwanwa na ohun beduru me bacho share na yenko na like page no e ma me share na yenko share Facebook WhatsApp bacho share na yenko na wa like page no so edi ama enipa ya wa do so nipa ba ko pe na like page no aha sister ya wo de me Judy o say ya orange sister ya na me say gold and yellow orange ni gold no difference no when I yellow difference ayo sister ya say orange on so rate na color ben sister iti so ye dreadlocks so ye peso which is which sister ya say orange on so share no color ben na wada nitinu ene cases wo pa anti ye be bon tew na ye ko my start wa Anti-side chicks association and ye call court. Say mo my imagine say mu betwi Valentine mu twi nkrofo di free. So mu twi nkrofo di free. By say ye ni ate Yes, our eyes don't open. Yes, our eyes don't open. But case way a landmark case open because you determine case where we are. Any ebe say uchi obi dia asotwe o wa na asotwe ni ho. Sister Deborah opeso bie flat gates ni to. Obi enso de to ade mema no maso be ye rough. Untimi nchi obi ni just like that. Ene ye first time a case in pacho e ba so e wo court. Nti mi sister Deborah sister Debo and then me first time me hu sister Debo e wo court. And then the first time me share sister Debo. Asantewa Erica be no say good evening oh sister Amma, God bless you. Me da see me pacho share mame na like page no me pacho nipa ba ko pe na like pacho share na yenko yenim. Mr. Wa share mami. Sister ya she's holding with confidence. Yes, sister ya, ma onanti with confidence. Share. No be filing case for high court. O pesa onanti say sister ya, ma onanti with confidence. Yes, confuse. Aha. On say do you ni 9 1 and over. And na ye fra asem no. Ne lawyer is original ye e wo court. And na the lawyer say, "Oh, my client no nie, sister Deborah ono gina hon o oba fefe ye bo didin ya na sister Debo so original ene ye bo dikin din na dikin so original no be akore dikin anim dikin ibu o na Ghana sam trofon so di bebe ye nya de kra o ye bo dikin di no be akore dikin anim say dikin picture na ye pese ye mu say e yo noa na the picture ne ba out and answer nye dikin so nti obi apeso hwe nani me ama say ya hu say me say me say me hwe ni ye na mbe ka kire on na say me hwe dikin but dikin opi me anhye dem ba bi ofai na say nyina attention wo sister Debo so ne ye sister Debo obe kasa ankwane ye bedi nkomo a obe kire ye nsem mu obe pensem nsem a kire ya nti eja is a court ne so eso DJ4 eneja ye dimirika be gina fomo sister Debo du eneja ye capture sister Debo so na sister Debo lawyer ebo court no na mane ne nti oba court no eye banka omo so wasem ni mu no e kire se omo de ba omo ba court nyina ne se sister Debo omo sere court no omo nyi bank ni film sabe enka ne na wo ji wani na bank ni ni mu bi enkane na ebia ubu pano na bank enim hu bi enti enei se bua kamu a bank no obeye den wo enti bank ne de anka enyina baabi na dikin a oni dikin anya no oni dikin kama asem oni dikin kama asem bank na nkasa de onye hwe bank ne de na mu pie na mu kochi na mu jimani na we kura we bag na we finfam we no bank no na wonim hu bi bank ne de wani referee enye bank ne na connect mo enye bank ne ye between na it was three bank ne de ye mpega ne fi mo asem nim ne ye fa bank ne si ba bi fofo na mo asem me pa cho mo like mami na mo share na no na court ni tie ya no si oh enti ene business of the day na ene de if the business of the day ni say ene ya mo first appearance munyina mo aba court ama ya hunu say when your friend sister Debo when your friend dikin dia na bank no officials a lawyer for so won say yenyi bank no ensi nchen dia obi an file na addresses say case we dey papa movement obi an file na addresses ye case obi an file na addresses a na ye kan say won sem a wo dey aba court ne wo chiro ye ne wo siki point IX SI VI ne wusi kini nyina ne wohwe ni nyina no bone tofa kambom baaku na fa baka kire court ne se court me hwe point 1 2 3 4 na ne ehu hia wo mu pa mensem a meka ni nyina so ne foundation enie the court mesrew jitum na grant ne mehwe no emame the court say we dey papa movement ya wade di anim 23rd ene na awotwe ene ena watwe pepepe eye 23rd me check me calendar ni 23rd eye ene ena watwe pepepe court say file submissions na fe court nhwe say okobenkum anase okonifa obey bank no efrim anase onyi bank ni film se onyi bank ni film nso a ene na asem no ye ka ne sen akwa akosi sen enti nyame eja toma 23rd of this month, which is ene na watwe pepepepepepepe nyame ya toma ye be sign akọ high court enti bacho mo anam mo hwe sister Deborah e wo social media asem de baaye no bacho no ani se maka support Nkomo de asem no e ba ye bedi akire e ba ama me wo ho nko a nyame mama hodin ye bedi akire na Ghana fo hu se de asem ne ko ti bacho asem no ye fi ase e mema na mo se mo bo mo bet ni ye bacho mu miem isan se asem no ye nya fi ase ne baba wa ne sorry osika no ye fama no edan no ye fama no emotional torture oh now fire and freezer baby ni nyina oje ti misrew no abaso ene bibi chenchini bibi huhu bi ansi ye siye ena mabwa ne tofa edi amount enti na make say die me bacho side check eye Deborah ono na ahwe no e wo court Nkomo TV so awie misrew oba na wa like page no na wa share edi amame share mame esan say mob justice sign aba nano wessels mod ye say a shocker and ye shocker abrantian ba na ya che ne beto ne police fo nyaa no after say ye ko paapai abrantia wawui aye hu se sebe na wa meni mako nwotwe still ye nyaa abrantia o say aye che no enti ene side check sister Deborah bacho wono na ohwe no na Deborah videos bacho mamini kakra nchero na fi mefa nko Safinatu Mohammed adenta enti sister Deborah eni yenkwe enti sister Deborah videos ni bi na mapo edi actual mesraw mame fan ko story number 2 maka cho se ne cases ni edosu ene aha ya denta district court maka cho sa ama me mentina office o me ko and I will give you evidence for you to know say me ko court no ti ne me kan no me ti court dem wo me gina abonten ho me hu ne court so e na me bo amane we eye almighty Safinatu Mohammed they say me the side check akwakogu ane and we Safinatu Mohammed ne so e na me kwi pacho tie ni ye Ghana semba obi be kasa ene nsem trofo de asem ni de fire ho no me case no emfa me hu me pese nsema ekoso e wo man Ghana mu hanti ene ya fato ye ho se court Nkomo de enye obia na pese court enti mechiro ne ekoso e wo court dem me pacho wo ba na wa like page na wa share de amam fa wadwen po ne bra make kan e de amount ene yen ko Safinatu Mohammed me bacho Safinatu na mapose no Safinatu Mohammed ono na mapose ono ni investigator no ti investigator na di na chi no ono e na o hye soro ne forma flowers yellow ewo mu no bacho ono okọ no Ababawa. Ono no kwa ohwe. Ono no kwa ohwe. Making kind. Sister, how can say more so? Enti Franco say busuafo no Franco say sister ene ne wo fa no ne wo lawyer ene gina ho no na bere wo gina ho na ye de Safina etwam Safina na ekọ no aha Safina Mohammed ena ekọ no abrante ba ko na se maka cho se ya ma ni bill ono wa meeting the bill conditions enti ono okofie ya ma Sakina bill anase Safina tu ya ma ni bill nanso up till now omiti bill conditions no me patro ti ni ye omiti bill conditions no obi be kasa ama na den na Sakina ba na ye de handcuff egu ni nsa omiti bill conditions me patro eniti na handcuff ni gu ni nsa nene ni enti ameka sa nwanwa se mesi ye e wo court ene say prosecutor na asem no ekura no prosecutor na asem no ekura no e kire se omonte ye anase omunya official record bi e kire se Sakina Yamani bill but what ni prosecutor ne se oti won framam omate e wo wiem omate se nsem 12 na e ka se amati se nkrofo bi na eka because a rumor akaya yes amati se ya Safinatu bill omo ankasa no they are not aware we be ka say eh asem be bad near prosecution team ne kan nanu no prosecution team ne say omate say yama Safinatu bill ne mom omonya we omunim say yama Sakina bill eme nyo bi anwa we be yo nwa kra ho be enu we nze yo nwa eme nyo nwa why aye Ghana Ghana ni etem omo say omo de omate akaya ese Sakina okope bill e wo high court tema na nienti omo ka say officially omo nte hwe ene say Sakina okope bill no na lawyer fo anka chiro bia ne lawyer fo emo obia mane na lawyer fo emo obia amane omo mo obia amane ese ebia omo kwako period amane nti prosecution no ebia prosecution ni obibia omeka anase omeye debi Sakina na wo hwe no ba ma mekenka o messages ni kakran san ma ba pacho nipa ye wa dos nipa 9 nipa 6 and I like it pacho ba no like am me na wa share oba like it na share like na share sister ya we do your guest prefect that and now na di kan buy or say hello sister ma you are I hope you are doing well nyame adom pacho me ho ye pa oba na wa like it edi amame Augustine Edu Jeff, your sister, Amma, greetings from GB. With the GB, no. Just my national security for baby, GB. Grace, Fakasi, good evening and good job. Thank you. Someone that was keep it up. This I say today orange color. Thank you. But Oba no like it. Oba no like it. Now share. Oba no like or maybe blondie. Hey. Sister Yabi Asanto Erica Benosi, good evening, Sister Amma. God bless you. Pacho Medase bounce Nyankopon ensure ewo. Ramsey Kujo Colin or say Asemu Augustine Education say Asemu Ghana Sempi Abigail Omani, good evening, sister. Sister, yeah, the case of the century. Case with the case of the century. Monica Lewinsky of Ghana. Sister, yeah, Kume. Nafi Sabara, good evening, sister. Majo, so Augustine Edujan for sister Amma, thanks for good work doing for our mother Ghana. Thank you, Samuel Dakons, mother Ghana. And Asemo is I wearing there in the courtroom when she was giving bill. Me pacho de be sister. Moses Aitos didn't the prosecution team attend court to be aware of any bill. Me pacho de me becho de intia. Asenso and just greetings you from Russia, Andy. Me pacho oba no one like no one share pacho share na yenko. Afe ma mencho questions when we say nipa bear through in episode sister ebisa prosecution team na umuniwa na Mr. Moses Ayiten so ebisa the same thing prosecution team no na omuni high court ho nipa cho enchiremuni ni enchiremuni say prosecution team they are all police prosecutors omadwuma ende e district court wa amunko high court enko prosecute wo ho amunko high court enko ye prosecution enti omo ye nyina ne say omo na ye committee no enti ye buabu ensem na no enti ne ye chi obi ye se obi ya charge obi with murder na ye de ne ko district court enti district court no eho e na ye buabu ensem na no enti eho no police prosecution anase police prosecutors be ene ka asem no ene a lawyer for enti me wo lawyer wo lawyer we wo lawyer na ye the case na akoma police prosecutors because enyo mo na mo ye trial no omo kwa ye kwaji date sa obeti said that Roma ba no ma beka say oh we are forwarded the docket to Attorney General's office for advice ye the docket na akoma Attorney General ekwaji afutuo enti afutuo ni munu Attorney General afutuo ni ba na waka say mon charge no with a substantive charge of murder and after investigation na police for ne ye the docket ne bayen ye hwe no murder charge no it can't hold it bia mon charging with manslaughter and now say yen discharge no and now say he should be acquitted and discharged me pacho what you say we case we eda ye di Safina e high court tema no me amamante na minim mantio na minim nieme minim let me share it with you and you know I will share it with you niena minim a me ya we na investigator e ya we na prosecutor e ya we and say Safinatu Mohammed filing the case e wo Adenta district court no yes sign wo high court or premises wa but your mama video we to so hwe ni ye asem na make am she say see any high court e wo ha watch this video wo Judicial Service of Ghana Adenta Court Complex your high court your circuit court and your district court in one building Myanmar niana minima me judicial prosecution team ya we na defense counsel yes Safina lawyer ya we na investigator ya we ne say Safina di kan file the bill application ewo high court Adenta you refuse no the second accused person Michael Akunu also file any dia wo ho you file here no the first time you refuse no the second time any granting the bill Sekina dia file here no I was aware you refuse no yantem wasem bi niamete ya ne say last week minya call eyama Safinatu Mohammed yama ne bill and am say ewe he Adenta And all my sources at Adenta, I called. Obias, oh, again, confile case be our how. On file case be our in a quarter bank and our money bill. Me be say bisaya, yes, tema. I chased through my sources at tema. Yes, oh, I'm pa tema and no file. And I may be say, not tema, our jurisdiction wise. Tema, ebetimi eti. Na me kama nutu. Me call law school. Na me kama nutu. What are the bail conditions? Bail conditions are 500,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties to be justified. Owed 5 billion. Enye MO, AB. Owed 5 billion. Instant, I called the prosecutor. Prosecutor and say, Menya way. You see, the prosecutor said on way. I can't blame the prosecutor because or a police prosecutor, Nejuma and was the district court. So somebody from the Attorney General's office went to the court. Let me tell you what happened at the court, at the High Court. Me catch or say, Nami niwo, but I will give you everything that happened at the High Court. The High Court judge who presided earlier refused the bail conditions on the grounds that prosecutor or no call High Court or your police prosecutor, somebody from the Attorney General's office, medical catcher say police prosecutors, they don't prosecute at the High Court. They don't prosecute at the High Court. It is only the Attorney General's office who prosecute at the High Court. Me pacha oba na wa like na wa share eti amami. Yesu ade pa. Me who say is that possible? Sister, please, I will kindly answer your question. So it is only the Attorney General's office who prosecute at the High Court. Who prosecute at the High Court. Sister Josephine, Akwaba. So good afternoon, everyone. Sister, I hope you are doing well. Damiadum, I am doing very, very, very well. Just say my bread, but obey and the Nina can do man. Me just on some way. Me pachoba no like ya mammy. Oba no like a page in a man. Oba no like a page in a man. Me bonnet papa near call. Then, Esan says somebody from the Attorney General's office come. The grounds that they used to refuse the bail application was that the lady in question, Safinatu Mohammed, did not have a fixed place of abode. Say a court, na ye ka say, uni fixed place of abode. Echere say police for hwehwe yehu. Enye say yehu say onye Ghana ni. Enye say yehu say oti Kosovo anase Kandahar. Anase Gaza and Bepreso, Debbie. Niatini say ye ka say fixed place of abode. Bia, yan find say oti choko. Choko, oda ebi obi kiosk mu. Ana obi container mu. Anase obi do obi veranda so. It is a bus say onipa ne pamwa ehefa ene eba behwehwe wo hu. Anase oni permanent place. Obi wa yes, oh, about the hotel. Into no fi hotel ha, no hotel ha, ofi ha, no ha, ofi ha, no ha. The son, yeah, mount bill. The prosecution told the court to say the lady in question does not have a fixed place of abode. Me pacho share na yanko. Share na yanko na like a page no. Like a page in mama na yanko. The lady in question, which is Safina, does not have a fixed place of abode. Sekina lawyer also said, no, it is never true. And you see, the Biamekata we say, let us learn this. If you are going for a lawyer, one, go in for a lawyer who will speak for you. Go in for a lawyer who will understand you. Go in for a lawyer who will appreciate what you are going through. Because you are paying. You are paying the lawyer. The lawyers of Safina are working. Yes. Who knows? Because they have to work. enti lawyer de na adwuma ne so obepe bill amount enti ways and means obefa kasa obeka brofo e ho acheche ehun ya shepu hu obeka ama to judge ni tirimu no eno na okoka the same brofo krona said ya chia no said ya dress no said ya hooky brofo no said ya bo brofo no time the same brofo na bi and it is a prosecutor no so kan e me to judge na etim I saw baba kwa mema mienu pen ane wo abeye line na wo line be fa ntu ba na akoka say me papa ne na ado oh enti Ghana ye de se Ghana ye fo one we ya se sa line no koya unyo baby se Ghana ye de oba na akoka che oba ne say me papa ne Mahama time na name eno so one we ya emfa because e beka to say Mahama time so na dum so wo ntu hwe a oba na obefa de dum so anase kufu ado aben emu de ya ene oba no abe choose any choice and the choice just by the way just for example sake so you see enti obia person o making the point known and well established to the judge mo kan mo bro for akese e ho atenchin ni nyina awia na maka cho say the law lies in the bosom of the judge. Me pacho ye dos enipa 8 pe na like me pacho on like ya like page in mama na yenko on like ya Mr. Wani dim like na fa comment no ebra fa comment bra make kan ni nyina edi amount wo questions so fa to me answer wo question no amount prosecutor so nya we enu enyi hu sa investigator so nya we eho ne hu kakra because investigator wo na case no e sha onsem ye the duplicate docket akoma attorney general but still they are saying say we are not done with investigations. They are not done with investigations. And according to my sources say the prosecutor who went to the high court pleaded with the court to say yama second accused person the bill a investigation and to see yama Safina bill pa any case no ayaya mutu ababa wano ye ni baby awote she doesn't have a fixed place of abode the lawyers and say our fixed place of abode na ne maame ede document ye dan document a kire ama lawyer as a lawyer ji ngrata ni ni ye won ngrata ye dan nie oji ye lawyer ji no dey actually court oh my lord they have a fixed place of abode house number GW25 wachire be bomte. So are you telling me the court will not hear this prayer? Definitely the court will hear the prayer. Sister ya, also is that possible? Yes, sister ya, it is possible because ya mfa Safina anko court will be eye bill keke ne yakwa di amano eye bill ene yakwa di amano enti bill no se onka ho a eye lawyers ene ekokasa eye lawyers ene ekoya argument enti the lawyer just have to make the argument. Se court grant here, fine. Se court and grant here, fine. E ye 1-1B and obi wo hwa. Ye beka say oh move accused person emra. And cases like this there bia ebusuafo ba no mu yedede ebusuafo ba no mu nyababa we kro mbabo no mu ne ade no. Definitely the lawyer may think say there be ena mame kokode. Case nso ensem trofo ani di akire te se me ama debia memete se koso wotema anka mekono. Definitely sometimes they want to shave away from the media. They just don't want the media to know say oh when the case be say paso and sister it can happen say me did say ya the Safina court hobby and obi hu Safina anko befa phone aka say eh me hu girl no obetwa ana say obi hu say Safina na yede na ba anka instant no befa phone afre me aka say eh ama ene me court no me ko hu Safina e wo ho. You see? I don't know. It's the lawyer may think say when the trauma that the lady is going through and other things no aden and I am Safina Yem one amane kra. Say a document, ya file it. Ya file documents in every ye hear and say, ya be argument. Okoya argument and a court eti. And a court are granted 500,000 Ghana cedis. 500,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties to be justified. 2 sureties to be justified. 2 sureties to be justified. Savior Akwaba or say, oh, Ghana. Me pachoba no like it page. Now I share the amount. Share yes, you are dear. This case, Makachro, side check in the case. Safinatu Mohammed, JB Dankwa Edu, Kaswa, Nkwalana, Omukun Womunya 10-year-old boy, Ishmael Mensa Abdallah, and other cases. This year, I am going to monitor the case by case and tell you what is going to happen. Kwabena Mensa, or sister, please, so how can they grant some mobile without knowing where the person stay? Ohima Shadi, I say good evening, Sister Amma. Sister, I say good day, Sofu Savior. I hope you are well. Say, Nyame Adum. Kwabena Mensa, bra Kwabena, me pacho. Say court kase. The entire court a granting bill no any say. The entire court a granting bill ni say. Na prosecution nature say. Omu nim baby ababa wanted because they are still investigating. But the lawyer also say prosecution ni kasa na obwa because omu nim baby ababa wanted. Ne maame so wo court wo ne maame de efie ni document ba court wo be kire say ampa onim babia ne ba ne wo baby ti ena na medical make say ye ka say you don't have a fixed place of abode. I to say obi a wafia brochira ba ohoho onim Ghana ha papa oni dan onsi dan oni busuani bi ote ne nkyenti oba oda hotel oda guest house oda hotel oda guest house. You better to say you don't have a fixed place of abode. In other words, you better to say obi or ye Ghana ni this now so you find example, me an example pacho fachame. Bia what the choco what no or do be kiosim. Choco what no or do be kiosim. And now so be veranda son or that. And now so that bontin baby. Oni pasam, omani bela. The question is, o correction action, o correction way. But the no can wura na so fi mi kuro mu jam mani a wan hwe ya akoshe jam mani obeye den wahu obeye den e na wahu enti se yaka so bi any fixed place of abode na yaka nyina ne say that person sa woni pa no oyobi a bia ye nim baby potin a wote anase only one place. And then ote choko adechi ote arena adechi biema owo yefani say latebi okoshi adechi a ote La Paz adechi a ote Chantain adechi a ote Soto baby bebre. That is what the prosecution was saying. But ababa wane ma men so timi denkrata ma ne lawyer Ekache ne say there be the prosecution can yampa adum worim waba like a page no Savior so for Savior me pacho like a page no kwabena men sam pacho like a page they say me make register mo like a page na pacho mo like it because ne nipa 11 here wan so ye doso nipa 11 penti pacho wan like it be I like it o like I mean say wan like it pacho like it yenko thank you this I 12 into mo like it pacho mo like it me da say. That is it. Thank you. I 13. It is still more like it. Nienko. Kwabena Mensa, Bra Mensa. I say, wow, sister, yeah. Thank you very much for making me get the understanding. That is it. Say, Bill dear, bra, obi to me in some prisons. Now lawyer for court akope bail amano. You don't need to be present for bail, especially say you're remanded or police custody. And also prison custody. who knew fast was say Yakofa Oba. The only thing is say obi wo hwa judges ni bi wo hwa opese ohun ni pa no. Say judge na nka say munkofa wo nipa ne mra dia. You are free to go. Let me give you a classical example. That be a mema case and mama example is here. Me a witness. A grabbing polo. Moka say a sentence a grabbing polo or con someone prison. A da ye call court of appeal. Not the lawyers as court and they say they should substitute it with a fine. Samokai a grabbing polo case now. Ye sentence a grabbing polo or called in someone prisons. Okon sa one prisons no oba high court say oba bepe reduction and answer substitution no e na judge ne say there be mengo enwo hwa kona ko 7 days na aka no mokai okon court of appeal no court of appeal judge no sitting ye no e kan say ade na manfa kwapim polo ama na ne lawyer ne say oh won some prisons ye time on na obesity any idea ye beka se onfiri ho mra no na time ko eni ti no yesere tie court ne tie ase court no eti ase enti bill die menua enye necessary important say chenchina atwan ese se onipa ne wo ho debi ense se onipa so onipa ne wo ho so onipa ne ni ho ye betimi ama the bill say ya remand ne nko ade a but say a fresh case say a fresh case a ye chewo within this week na ne ya ye de wa ba court na ye de wo ba court no na ne ya ye say ya ma o bill ene ya wo se makọ high court kwa akọpe bill wo ho then you have to accompany. And the classical one was Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa. Maybe another classical one. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa time I chain for front. Only mama parties and semi abaye ya saw the two ni adia ko mama party fie videos bi num ni ade aye che Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa kwa me amonom ni nkrofo bi e ka ho. O kai say ya remand Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa. Dan na ya remand na e na dan na lawyer ni makomafo e call high court. And no cry no utwa me fancy how many days a day or two and no call high court or call high court no on my head the papa ne call ye on my head Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa call ye Emma court ni mu say oh papa when your friend Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa ono na ya remand no sa pepepe enetie intimi pacho build ye say o prison o police custody na o lawyers e kwa kope bail amawa they can choose to ignore say yema police form fa wo ma ana say yema prisons em fa wo ma o ma be kwa akwa make bail application submissions submissions wia na afi court e ka say mejai no mama ni bail conditions no but I no patch on mama fa we can say court mpo grant bail na meet bill conditions na me pacha untimi bie enti video we Safinatu Safinatu Mohammed ni enti a handcuff gunu esugusugu ne nsa ne say old 5 billion onyaye 500,000 Ghana cedis no me pacha onyaye until say obenya nipa mienu a ebegina nachi wo say sika no ana omo adwapade a esum se sika no me ba fina obie hello me pa cho what say yes 500,000 Ghana cedis with two sureties to be justified justification no eno na ka mama pata o shemu kakra no justification no eno na ka mama pata ya mani bela na wontimi mpie no the justification no old 5 billion no eso nya nipa 2 eso se onya nipa mienu a se yese e dan anansa saase a na esese sankrofo mienu no ye ka omo dan mienu na boma esom 500,000 Ghana cedis Mama kenka messages ni kakra mpacha wo ba na wa like it. Sister Mamle me pacha wo ba sisi a on like it nti mpacha like na yenko. Mama kenka messages ni kakra. George Gates me pacha also like it. Me hu mu amon like it. Mpacha like na yenko. Na share na yenko. Kwabena mensa say wow sister ya, thank you very much for making me get the understanding. Pacho your friend my sister ya. Say sister ya kwa from so na o kan dia. Pacho your friend my sister ma me da se wo ho. Ohima Shadis B or Sedan please. Sister ya or sister for savior the whole country is filled with sadness. Definitely the whole country is filled with sadness. George Gates or sister you are doing a wonderful work. Thank you so much. Pacho ba no like no share edi amam. Asafo Savior say this Canadian bogus case and JB Dankwa's case JB Dankwa case ni pacho enche from March yes started unsa wonte ho asem nan sen ane makacho say judge no equal leave you best start first week in March or second week in March eno sa case ni ewo ho sa court ho na eho ena kasoa o kai kasoa nkwala tu bi a yetutu se onku omunua 10-year-old Ishmael Mensa Abdallah some de ne kwakoji sikadron sa case no eno so e was the same court nti na nanse wonte ho asem enche memo update on Abisim o kai Abisim case the same crofo kure refi sa case no Abisim abra na ye che na wotwitwa nkwala egu ni fridge mu no se na obario so de beye mpuna mu so obeho so obetoto ene edu ho a da na obeka kire court ama court ehunu se ne etie Kwabena Mensa or sister ya please how far with the Agrada naked pictures case this black Mensa pacho your friend is ama your friend me ya and I mean hand the baton sister ya ene neji so betina makonwa nim Mensa, me pacho your friend is sister ama your friend me ama thank you Mama Pat ene so for apia biblical case pacho we de me de femutew edi ama na no Mama Pat eba court enyo no nkwa ono so for 1 gig ene ba court yama omu nyina bail omo meti bail conditions no yama omu nyina bail omo meti bail conditions no enti aposi for say omu guso hwehwe nipa ba ko assign action no e de na ka ho me da se ma me fe no sia mam later makro say oh my dear sis I was going to call to find out how you are doing I'm late but I'm here thank God medanya me asese onso abane wanye late baby sister ya Kwabena Mensa I think that question should be directed to sister Amma I guess you got her name mixed up with mine sister ya opubwa wa no the question e ma timpacho answer ma ne mame enye sa dia me sorry if makonya kese emu na me de ama watnem pacho mami ana papa wa fa ne dia amma or say may God bless you thank you me pacho ya na aduji any baby a hwe aka ho ebi aba Black Mensa I say thank you for the correction me that's ewo okay me that's ewo George Gates also watching you live from San Diego California USA thank you so much US for me just muhoye pa so for say your sister ma please why are some of the cases delayed like that so for Savior metro ni enti cases ni bi delay enti bi pa chaw Safinatu Mohammed a case no nyame ya doma 28 which is next week Thursday into next week Thursday krona this case is asamo next week Thursday yebeko court 28th a year 2 weeks time yes 28th a year 2 weeks time timpacho next 2 weeks Mama Pat ewo court and Safinatu and so ewo court nti Mama Pat obebe court 10 Mama Pat ebe court 10 eno enyo no so for apia biblical de na emom we eye one enkrofo na omuka se Mama Pat edupu o manase Mama Pat aje omusika ene obebo ho ama wa mo ho amfa ama om ane sa case nyame eya adoma ebeba eso 23rd side check ebeba so 23rd and Mama seriously mob justice is coming back video Miss Rose YouTube for cry and hardring ba mebo kakra bi nti ba cho Safina ena oko ewo eho no but ansa na no obi bisa me hu se ne de so for Savia Augustine edu jamfi jiwonu kudota pacho odi ni se mamboni ya pacho fache me keep the good work my sister me da say bra men so say abisim case 2 is there I have said this sunyane small so I know abisim ani abisim abrante ne wo ho me pacho wo ba na wa share edi ama me na wa like page no me pacho mama ba sisi ani nyina bra jiwonu me pacho like page ni mame like page ni ema me sisia like page ni ema me na yenko yanim of anko tenant of anko tenant case no akofa sema bremi o wo ho amuko court enene nansa ya form jury na wie enche ye be start into all these cases mo ya de mo de ba na mo kai me ntimi me so me rafi no na ma start na me hwe me diary na me dig up na me dig up me da so for Savia me da papa abisim de me ya we JB de me ya we of anko de no na me ne family ne frame me enene na nsa so mo call court ti me bisa the next date me da papa so for Savia thank you so much so wakame ohima share the bill or sister ama I'm late unye late enkasa me nkomechi na me nkomechi sisia me ba chaw ma me mfa papa e picture ento so me srew mo amote lashi bi ne important papa we hwe papa yo gina court Nkomo si papa yo gina we over 66 years na eyare hosem papa it's alleged ye papa ya chino nienti a court a order police say yanko papa ne nchene ne say akwala over 5 years papa we ni nada ba ko over 10 years papa ni nada another 11 years papa ni nada 12 years papa ni nkwala nada nkwala mako and 4 papa your friend and grandpa nkwala ni nyina area mu obi a friend and grandpa me pacho share mame fa comment to papa we woni in that area ena oye oba ana wona na seya ankade na obeka ankadem pa ena obeka papa we eden na ka beka to be no hwe papa yo hwe papa a oda court Nkomo TV so papa over 66 years o 66 years over 66 years 66 years 66 years papa akwala 4 years 5 years 5 years so akwala we be ka se sebe adware kra onim ne hu dware na beto se wa hu se de oba okro na se papa we hu aboa ya afo mobo my question is papa we osusu se den ye fanye no papa we 66 years o enkwala mako e 9 4 children omo ye toddlers mpo penny owom ene what 12 years obebi say na sister ama enkwala ne nso omo koye den e wo grandpa ho se sa no bia frena omo koye den wo grandpa ho mama nchirim lashibi bro no bia ye freno MFs ena papa yi ene nkwala neti ayesa slums omne papa yi net e we area enti we kwa adwuma grandpa ye kwabo enti nkwala ne pon school na omo ba omo nya ye pa omo ma no so moye mu homework no wi a ne mutimi nya ya mo grandpa wana grandpa chrem. It is like everybody in the area call this man grandpa. Grandpa, obia friend grandpa. Me pacha nkwala ne die. When him say sister ama, me show nkwala picture e wahada. Me show the picture kra me kataneni. But because of defilement intino, I don't want to even mention their mother's name so that people will even trace them. La shibidi e hoso. When you rape, when you defilement, akwala 5 years, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, enkwala mako four two family nkwala maame baako papa baako ma mienu maame baako papa baako mienu enso ema mienu two different families but asa omo te ben nti we twa kwan mu a we fie ben we ni fie ben nti ye nyina ye friend grandpa etifie nkwala akoba no makọ grandpa ho ye koye homework no makọ grandpa ho ye koye homework ye homework wi a na ya hwe TV o grandpa ho oh ye hwe TV o grandpa ho grandpa say ya hwe TV grandpa say ya hwe TV and ye kọ grandpa when we say we have lived in a community like that akwala eye bone na me ne maame kra be bona obi dwane akọ papa pani we ho because odwane kwa ne maame de papa nanim ferie nti obi ja akwala ne bo me so nyina me ye bone ne ye bebo me a me na na be ma ho na me dwane akọ me na na be ma se ne ye ne ntifie o ye ti akirikiri baabi me maame nya fa ba trom na me grandma wa na me grandpa. And that is how we have lived in the country up till now. Na papa penny way or tifie yesusu is alleged. Ya charging with 4 counts. 4 counts no enkwala makoma ko 9. Ne atie ni. Yese papa yi otifie. Enkwala ko school aba. O me kwa grandpa ho akoye me homework. Yese ni odi kan no. Oni akwala ne dae no. Eno ka kire akwala ne se wonnim na woka obewu. You see the sad aspect in we are near the who asa shakwala ni mu. Enti on kan da. But akwala bi o wan kan teacher kro betimi abona mane. Ni teacher mpo ko betimi abona mane. Nanso ehu a ye de ashakwala ni mu menka. Shapapei na no me and sister chair e kan. O se shapapei flap 10 a original ho. Me and sister chair e kan na atwe woduro o se papa e flapper original ho na papa se ye hwe ne flap nko aso mpo a e di na asem a ka hwe papa e flap na hwe kwala 5 years sebe ne hu tokuru ne hu kwan e ya he akwala 10 years ne hu kwan e ya he akwala 11 years ne hu kwan e ya he akwala 12 years ne hu kwan ya he. And you have the guts to sleep with all this nkwala we are no abomano akachom say kan wanu tum na kwala kiti no wo mu no akwala na se start yekuru na se start pro ne maami jare no won say Ghana to say ya wofo ne so sikapenti ye ma no de ombe wukure fa ye ho ye ma no ombe wukure fa ye ho akwala no ne maame ya so kodware mase nsu ama wo na kodware mase nsu ama ko na kodware na kwala na kodware ti eda maame nani ba ne ho so se ene die ese so no atena fie na odware ne ba na akwala no owohoro na akwala na se ama de ne nsa ko wape ajesh eye me ya won start isu edie na ewo ho eyo ya ono no wa akwala abone so do nsa hyehyɛ wase maami ko peja ne ba no emfa nto ne sere so ma na namu ehu sede ne ba na anamu ti a aye bibie wo ho na when na ye we say was a grandpa was if you come on to grandpa ben was a grandpa ya ye kwenwe grandpa Ima osa grandpa Emmanuel John grandpa na ye we say osa fin grandpa we ye sure say your grandpa osa an grandpa afi mami bon say de bi ye di pregon na mami na ye din no hwe ne ba because onyi ntomu da say papa na ye friend grandpa wo mu gini di no obeye ne mane saa o start ya oka buru akwala ne se onka no kore no enkwala afedi o mkodi agro wo ho no we ana ne maame aba na me ba na sikuro de mu da mu ya nkwala aboni o na mu sori na mu hia na mkodi agro na mu de mu sa hyehyɛ mu ase na mu se hwe grandpa Ye grandpa, the grandpa call police station. No. Grandpa call the grandpa just say your bonsam. Yem fan chen. Ne ho do no. Owu ano no. Nti osre. O kofie. Ye mani nkofie nkofa na adru. E na police fo ne say, ye ma bill mobi me ginam as surety. Grandpa frere ono ani nua be ma baako. Mani be ginam police station as surety. Ene ye ma no police enquiry bill say onko eya omra menua ya file case ni wo circuit court 5 ya file case no e wo circuit court 5 ya friend 1 2 grandpa oma court order ninua no di akagina mu ma no no oso rehwe grandpa ohun no ohun grandpa o Omu grandpa wo bebia asam na koye bibia wo eno na otemuafo ba Christiana kan say hey monka nche papa no me issue bench warrant we ne tosu mienu se on pene totom pene no a wakosho wo tokuroma munkoyi ni pie court ashapo osifo say 28th of this month amfa papa we mere no court ho papa no sebe se wewu kura ni funu efunu no odada kema omfa ne mra se ye kosie na omuntwa kef se no omfa ne mra se yakosie ne dedan so a omunkotu fu ni mfa ne mra because God say ne atie bia grandpa e say we punish him. But you see cases like this eya na ye makoma ya what say akwala na brabo what say akwala na brabo akwala 5 years no me di mani hu akwala ne wo court won me re ontini mpo nante Nancy, akwala ne Nancy no baba ne name. O Nancy no baba ne name. No bibi say rape, but when you rape, a defilement. Defilement maximum sentence a 25 years. 25 years maximum. Kakrake wom obolone wom no. Mami agwe wom a 25 years. The maximum sentence for defilement is 25 years. 25 years. Papa over 66 years. A fear anymore, so they shouldn't have given him any bill. The police aired. Asama me kwa me kan court no. Me say na papa we yamani bill. Papa we yamani bill. Me am ko report case bi anya. The man was 72 years. Oni akwala 12 years na die akwala ne nyemoye akwala ne se papa ne da 5 times papa no kodu court no ogitum o se enya mpa se 5 o se me di 2 pe no apeja ne nsa no aye ne nsa sign 2 say no dey akere o se me di 2 pe judge ne sentence no 21 years because one waste court in time because one waste court dana ye di 2 ye na dana and no pleading guilty one we see court in the time and a court no a sentence no and no cramp on dano or ye lucky na lawyer in crabia if adate e wo ho into your pacha say papa no age pa ene court e mano sa 25 years no or say court in 21 years no or say court in court into so na nim so te mo afọ ne friend 49 years wo no Bema years bia wan hwe ya obeka se ukwa ukowu e na judge ne te so e no yi 1 year ne fees no man 20 papa no was 72 years so yama na how many years 20 years dey account into obeba no wanya how many years eni so wu ani yi na to na twene wo defilement o man 25 years kura ka 66 years ne wa say akwala na brabo awofo let me say it again mesremo mumma yenhwe ye mama ni yie ye mama no mumma yenhwe wo yie. You may think I have given my daughter to somebody I trust, that same person that you trust I was your sure bana man or no one beti wewu and time abi say we do wewu e do bana wu na you late. You have nothing to do but say obana brabo And such people, no, akwala ne boni din kura, the family find it very difficult accepting say, "Eh, you no ye," and aso betimi aye. What was that here? E base ya, awofo ne kura ne hu ne denden say, "Ah, me ba no yakwala boni." Me ba no e na yakwala boni. Debi, oba ne yakwala boni. Obano onya kwalabon e basa omo find it difficult to accept oko na bra not area mu ho na woni baabia kwa anasa bra na ho area mu a ne shop e na wo kwa ho no oh mami ama yes ma uko school ba me de safua na hye edan na se oba me de aduane asi tables udi wi a Kwatna Brakobi nchen e wo ne shop ho. Do you know the idea of Brakobi? Brakobi girl ejai no. O me kan cho say the girl ejai no. Brakobi take sori anadwo no. Okọ ne yire nchen, ne yire say hu bra ne de mabre me yare, me ma mfaya. Ti Brakobi still wonya obeya de no. Oba ne ko ofie no uni ho. Akofa atade bi ahye. Enkwala ne kura de okọ school ba otimi ro na taaje di go na ka ne underwear pe no akọhye verse de asiso no de ne nam area mu ho one hwe yo de underwear no nko a verse ni siso na nsate abi no de akọtena Brakobi ho Brakobi mu nsu onyade ye obefa ya ne ge ama na mfa ya de ne yire nso a ne yire nso ama na mfa ya jafo behwa kwala ne na ho trom ene kwala na aba owo 10 years kura ne to yuku ne nufu afi ase edwedwe ba no hwe ne din akwala edie oh mami ama rem stone nim koyi nsu obrem akwala ne rem a na watoa ne wo ode ne zakata na no a wadu ba na wu owia no di hu akwala ni mu akata ni se o ma me ba na wo kan ubewu enye sa mekun ehu na aka no wo ye den on kanda obeye baako ayakwala ne ya obeye mienu ayakwala ne ya oye ne toso miensa akwala no onti ya oni biem wa ye pruntu wa ma ne ho kwan nti afi okwa Brakobi nya na adwen so obeye kora aye ne de wa pe ne system na je nti afi okwa Brakobi nya ready kora so obeye a ono ade ne saba akọ ne na Brakobi tiri hu oba akọtena Brakobi na so en wo owofo no oba tan no maami ana papa no o twem no mu se ne ba ne te Brakobi na so a onka se hey sifon fi Brakobi na so Brakobi ade na me baba ne te usere so dabi Brakobi ni amade aso bi ne wo fa ase aso bi ni nuaba aso bi ne or the say sa ena Brakobi die ena Brakobi die de Brakobi die enya ama na sa anka me mo aware ama unim de oyo oba no uba circuit court 5 na utie cases ni bia me de me ba koja eya hwe me ba ne mame hwe me ba ne mame na watu kwaye ja oba no ti bra na ado oba ni koja na oba ba na odi koja no odware a o pese ode ne nsasha kwala na se ehoro na se ma no abi o pese odware oba no ma wanwumere na onware akwala ni infinity nkosi ne nase owia no aka chense koto na me horo oto ma koto na me horo ne oto ma kwala no so be koto oba horo ne to na ma owia na do nsa guti na watwa adwo na wasu wase oba na brabo 25 years obetimi di ama no okoma obeba oba no wanhwe yi a 5 years one nada na wodi ekora no wanhwe ne koka wase no onyi no obo so mbo se me ma me ye nipa bonfo me ma me ye baifo a wonte ase wona wase na brabo nti obo ba yi odibo ba yi enye ma me fo ne nkwa papa fo ne so ya munya bre ma moma ne bi awo munya bre e ma moma ne bi moma ma no munya bre e ma wom ubisa be ma bi se obaba ebrebe no nya ne menses kura onim ende yo ema ne dia o ene na oba menses de me de fa me ho be. No, the men should rather let their daughters have confidence in them than a man. Me ama, I will use myself as a sample. Na me papa click more than me mama. Me papa na me click more than me mama. I share my life story and everything about me to me papa class and me mama. Me ni pada me papa na me kone wako kachire no. Me mama. Ano cry no ye secondary matter. E me ma no me sire me papa no. Me wo fa no. Me nua me ma no. Let us have time for our children, for our daughters, especially our daughters. Na yinya se bibia eyema oh na we dey kwakacha o mama. Oh na we dey kwakacha o mama. You see, if you build your daughter's confidence, now obanya omo rehyiemu a oba na fa send a boyfriend. Oba no o fa send a boyfriend into a kwabonten no bi kacha ne say me pew. Ohu ofa. Obefi wa be kacha ne papa say ene me hia bread. O se ne hu ofepa. Me sano. Me dress Sunday na me kwa sorry a. Me papa eba begina mechi. Auntie ama Charlie, me baba we do ho fe papa. Na madane me ahwe papa ni. Me se me dance. We ye sure o se ane ho fe papa. Me se mate. Ti me kwa bontin. No bi ka chem sama. Charlie ho fe wata de fata me se papa ka chem no fie de da. Me papa ka chem se mata de na fe. And that was my answer to anybody who sees me, including the ma. Masha ta dia kwa sorry Sunday. No bi ehu me. Aka chem say, ama wata de ye fe me se papa ka chem no fie. Case closed. It's a new dear na be catch them no. And never convince me. But ye giant mabra bama wom. They are just walking astray. Obi ba ubi sana say first timer obaba unya ne menses yes dabeya onim. Ah obaba no how many years no unya ne menses. Yasam kesi. Obi ba date of birth. A problem. Na me ko ye interview bi. Bema ne ba obi ne nanyam. Mi bisa papa ne se mi pato na obaba no. A so obi anyam no. Owo mfi ahen. Ne maame wen. Ne maame no. Oh wapio. Oh na koko. Akoko. Ana kwala ne. Akoko wadi ahen. Na so baba. Wo na mi bisa o se oba ne date of birth. Onim ne ba ne mfi awadi. So look at this man. 66 years. Unya kwala 5 years ada. Unya kwala 10 years ada. Unya kwala 11 years ada. Unya kwala 12 years ada. Kwala mako 4. Wase umu nyina brabo. Inti we eyo wofa. Eyo papa. Eyo wadanfo papa. Kade na pese yenye no. Pachochro mama na menkenka ma. Ma menkenka messages ni kakra. Some other go say Catherine, mame, yes, Catherine, mame, ama udrosi. I'm late. Why you late, kakra? Augustine, my sister, ama, you are right, pa. Minia, I will phone me money titiru. Munya bibi mumani so what's it? Na ye bro, ye bre. Me sorry, I had a match. Me ko kind news. My paper review. Mamuti me anopa angel. Me wie ye. Akola ketu ebi story ame koye ye. Me free was straight to Achimota Court. Me see Achimota Court straight to Adenta, Safinatu Mohammed. If he was straight Accra High Court for side check, Deborah story. Me feel ho and I'm about betna studio. Me no kasawaha. Me free her. Me ko angel. Akoye juma. Me mponye. You see how I work 24/7. Edu baby a this a metna say na me na mo kasa na maka say say me need the whole day o come de me yam afi na maka say say the whole day kra me need ye. You see how it is. It is say oba brese ya na say me ma no mo so man support kakra na mo kuyen yo mo kuyen Misre, me papa no. Me ni amema no. Yenhwe ye mama ani yi. Obeka se 25 years. Ane court ne die obetwe na so. But obaba no, wagya no eka bi e wone ho. Wanhwe yi obi wo wa. Obi suro be ma the whole lifetime. Obi suro be ma the whole lifetime na ka ne tirim. Obi wo hokra wanhwe ya na fi wakonya adwenbone. Ene me de me ngoda. Ene me de misrew. Eno na wanhwe ya be ma ye ne sei. Nti ene ne nyonko ba e de ne nsa hyehye ne ho so ne mu a obeye fine. Lesbian ene gayism so na yesi ye chi no misremu. Wenum ene kan kwala na ni sei ya onyi a ene me de be ko be ma e be mate ya weti sei dia ene me ko menua ba nchen. Mia menua ba ene onfa ne nsa so ne mu sa. Then I go my way. These are cases, sir. We should turn our mind, our resources, and everything to. Esi where ye fie, esi where ye mantem, esi where ye brown also. Please let us address it. Let us address it. Mami genka messages nekakra. So for Savior, it's simple. They should give it to him. 25 years. Efua enim was they shouldn't have given him bill at all. The police head. Brahmins and sister, I think that grandpa do drugs, or unless a man like that can do such a shameful act. Yes, self-savior. As we Satan, as up on some day, ever say ya, or no one una money, me papa ne can, or say bonsam, or no one or one no one could be in one. Most society or say, ow, so can't he get a middle-aged woman, there be open ear full, open ear mre, and open ear full. Savior, or say, Kwabena means exactly, Sister Amma is good, me that say. Sister Amma, Brahmins or Sister Amma, I pray one of the schools in Ghana will call you to lecture because you can help students to understand case studies in law. God bless you. Me that say. Ghana, amonye mpacho. Mamenye made wa heya. Ye wo YouTube ni Facebook ebesu ya ade nkakra say ya. Kwa catch shwe kwa me o say aw the zakata na no and we be nani. So for say so what does the law says about defilement? Defilement maximum sentence 25 years. We any rape, we any defilement. Bacho oba na washe. Mame ma me last video. Now this video bacho hwene ye. Wo checkrom fo a edien e na ode be ye no. Hwe video ibra.
A sleeping place, only sleeping place. Cause you like this. Oh, Charlie.
Nice
the person who allow you to be here, nice the person wicked you.
Here, we know the seal. If you see me, I know the sleep. My guys go kill you, Charlie. We know the sleep.
Now the population is making white.
We know the sleep for this angle. So you can put your best in your hand in the police. Momo kunamwa. Yo. Oh, Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Oh, killing him will not solve the problem. No. It's okay, Charlie. It's okay. Oh, what's my name, Charlie? Charlie. You don't touch me. Don't touch me. Mama money.
Truth inside. So if you need the truth, it say make you send them to police.
A sleeping place, only sleeping place. Cause you like this. Oh, Charlie.
Ebusiafo enti ebu a wo hwe after some chichire abrantie wie ye no ebu eguwe hwe be chichire ne boy on se moja soso ho aha be chichire ne boy no eho na ama bra kwa mpofo me call ye mia na me ko twa video enye obi ne twa video no mia na me twa video no kama se hwe abrantie a wo hwe anu yi eya abrantie a wo kire se nani kum ope ba bi ada na baby a opada no enye baby a say obi 4-story building apampem of first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor e ho no kwakoda asebo Ghana dem kwafo ye sanchani o 4th floor e ho no kwakoda Safinatu Mohammed Abubakar Ladisco. I say love your program. Thank you. Oh my God, Ghana. Asenso Andy. I say please, we the African men should please help our women in taking care of our kids, because our kids are all closer to me than the mom, but we the African men don't try. Me that say, don't try at all. It's true. Me that say what kind of stuff? Me that say. Safinatu Mohammed, me pacho like a page in the mame, me that say. Asenso Andy, me pacho like a page in the mame. Catherine, mame ama odro, me pacho like a page in the mame. And oh my God, Ghana, me pacho also like a mame. Nipa ya wahadoso pa nipa 17 pe, and I like a page. Me srewa need him like a page in the mame. Abranti HSN anikum. Nani ne kum no. Opo bia bansoro aso ada. Na bansoro ni so okwa akoda no. First floor odu ho we hu hwe. Second floor we hu hwe. Third floor we hu hwe. Fourth floor. Mami safa video ni to so meba.
A sleeping place, only sleeping place. Cost you like this. Oh, Charlie.
Nice.
The person who allow you to be here, the person wicked you.
Here, we know the seal. If you see
Me, I know the
my guys go
sleep.
kill you, Charlie. You there?
We know the sleep.
Now the population is making white.
We know the
So,
sleep for this angle.
Jordan, you put your best to say hand in my police. Mumu kuna mwa.
Yo.
Oh, Charlie.
Your neck.
Oh, Charlie. Oh, killing him will not solve the problem.
Make a feel. Me, I'm a phone.
No. It's okay, Charlie.
It's okay.
Oh, what's my mention, Charlie? Charlie. You know, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Mama money, Mama money.
Now, it's truth inside. So, you finish the truth. He said make you send them to police.
a sleeping place, only sleeping place. Cost you like this. Oh, Charlie.
Yeah.
Or can say on person muja every good in some. It's one ever gene.
What's what you from for? The outside in the kitchen.
One ever gene.
Why you beating him? Oh, any pa, I don't need sympathies. Obiacho Sika also. And you will say,
And to Obiacho kind about so. We a year and then a brantia ne wako dream a wanya na bora ya boro no wono amijidi say next time wonam no bi ka che ne se brae wani kum beda ha gro beka se wonna a brantia che se nani kum ope baabi ada baabi a opada no enuanom anwasem ne se nani na nkum wo baabi a kosi se okodu obi aba nso re toso enan so fourth floor eno kodai. Na fourth floor ni ebisa ni se bra eye den na hoton e na akokoda ya o kire se ohun se ababa wa bi pints e hata ho e da America sa asem so e Valentine's Day 14th wa hu pints na yentie papa ye okokoje abrante nkwan
I won't show because of evidence. I won't show because of evidence.
Enti abrantie no ena yesane na ahoma no esane komu a one papai na age nkwanie papai ena ekoye ne mwa okoje no efi ye beka se na tamfo nsem abrantie nsese onie the hospital. Owu anesa. Owu a enesa. Ene. Me sorry, me kwa hwe no. Said ye ne hotie. Said ye ne hotie anoda ho. Na asresem kakra ewom, ma me fa fa mu na ase bi wate. Me kwa hwe ebre ya. Ozi obedi jollof. Because can you imagine? Can you imagine? Nenumaba obedi jollof. And I'm saying, bra, obedi jollof. No obedi jollof no. Ya compare jollof na brena afedi o say na pantan. Omo bubu ne senyi na egu nti na pantan untimi enwe jollof ni to pekoko. Akoto koko amana or responded to treatment. Misre Mama yenyai mob justice. Mob justice. Enye. Mob justice is not good. Mob justice. Enye. Yenyai mob justice because enyu mob justice. Enye. Nipeu. Major Adam Mahama. Eno. Enekun. Major Adam Mahama. Boro. Ena yebo no. Emma owu ya ehon nsem akoye bebre ye kankura ye nkan wie ehon nsem akoye bebre a ye kan ye nkan enwie timisere yenyai mob justice ade a emwaye kra uchi obi a faniko police station uchi obi a Faniko police station. Fanoko police station. Enti enuanom ene ensem no na sense makacha sensem ye betrim yesua court de wi ene finance minister papa ya say o to be e o mrahye bedwafiem debt exchange program ya eja me former chief justice kokere bia Gabi ochiri da ko the governor beke kan na adwen kire no ene Mr. White o ma yentie ni kakra ma me fa nko parliament ni yentie nsema ene parliament train ase so mra no ayenkotie sansem ni bimra patoti bi e bia na nte wo ba bia
and growth we see before us. The respective regulators have assessed the potential impact of the exchange on the financial sector. Working together, Bank of Ghana, the Security and Exchange Commission, the National Insurance Commission, and the National Pensions Regulatory Authority are recalibrating their regulatory tools to accommodate the necessary forbearances for their respective sectors. In addition, Mr. Speaker, a financial stability fund is being established by government with the help of development partners to provide liquidity and solvency support to banks, pension funds, insurance companies, fund managers, and collective investment schemes to ensure that they are able to meet their obligations to their clients as they fall due. And growth we see before us. The respective regulators have assessed the potential impact of the exchange on the financial sector. Working together, Bank of Ghana, the Security and Exchange Commission, the National Insurance Commission, and the National Pensions Regulatory Authority of the success of the domestic debt exchange program would also build momentum for external restructuring program, which has also commenced. As part of this progress, Ghana has officially asked its bilateral creditors for a debt treatment initiative under the G20 Common Framework. Consequently, Mr. Speaker, Ghana co-hosted a meeting with the Paris Club, including both Paris Club and non-Paris Club creditors on 10th January 2023. We reiterated the requests for expedited treatment under the Common Framework and presented our economic and fiscal outlook, as well as the steps undertaken so far with the DDEP. Most importantly, Mr. Speaker, we made it known that we expect the creditor committee to be formed in an expeditious way to facilitate the program to ensure that we are able to go to the fund board in March. We have started the process of negotiating in good faith with our commercial creditors. 2 preliminary discussions and exchange of information have started on a good footing with representative committees and advisors. The members have indicated their commitment to establish a creditor committee to assess Ghana's request for debt treatment under the common framework by end of February 2023. We hope, Mr. Speaker, our commercial creditors will understand our desire to negotiate with our bilateral creditors softer terms than the ones we anticipate to propose to them, as a speedy process with the bilateral creditors is needed to pave the way for the discussion with private creditors. Mr. Speaker, we are also approaching major creditors like India and China to ensure that our discussions with the Paris Club is accelerated. Mr. Speaker, we've also negotiated discussions with the representative of our international bond holders and their advisors. Substantive discussions are due to start with them in the weeks to come. The government recognizes the continued importance of the DDEP in closing the financing gap and enabling the government to meet the debt sustainability target of 55% of debt to GDP in present value terms by 2028. Mr. Speaker, we have already indicated that these debt operations were a composite part of a broader government response of the success of the domestic debt exchange program. Would also build momentum for external restructuring program, which has also
na kasa finance minister kanyina DDEP a domestic exchange program in Hunsama na woka ena ocheche ma se say waka be se ene eguso okoso but se so de nchemu aba se pensioners na omanfo form ni bi ya azemte wom ya yi wom afirim se me man filibi nso wan filibi dia ne na wonka ho ma yentie eno so say ene nsem okafa ho.
Government remains committed to the well-being and dignity of our senior citizens and pensioners. Indeed, it has personally, Mr. Speaker, caused me great distress as a number of our pensioners have picketed at the premises of the Ministry of Finance since Monday, February 6, 2023. I have already indicated in my press release, Mr. Speaker, dated 14th February 2023, the government will honor their coupons, payments, and maturing principles, like all government bonds, in line with government's fiscal commitments. Mr. Speaker, in seeking to understand the concerns of our senior citizens, I have met with them on 3 occasions. The most recent was yesterday, 15 February 2022, where I explained the terms of the new bonds.
Na Finance Minister Ken Oforiatta Ogusu Kasana ena mahama yarega sorry no say papa Janyoyen kra edi ensem na tin awakeka Bayentie mahama yarega emra.
We should tell us the source of revenue and who authorized me as finance minister to release money under the name of the Ghana Financial Stability Fund to assist the banks. Mr. Speaker, if it is public fund, he must come here and get his approval. And he hasn't come here for any approval. Mr. Speaker, this finance minister has become a law enforcer. And this finance minister, otherwise, Mr. Speaker, the taxpayers who queue every 4 years to vote that are wasting their time. Mr. Speaker, we have been elected, all of you on all sides, so that on this day, a day like this, when the executive is trampling on the rights of ordinary citizens, we will stand to be counted. We will stand to be counted. Mr. Speaker, this government cannot accept what has happened. All that the finance minister has done is illegal, is unacceptable, and it doesn't really care for approval. Mr. Speaker, we will not allow it to stand. We will go to every institution and every institution and the list to make sure that we block what the finance minister has done. We must defend the bondholders. We must defend the business. We must defend the owners of the banks. We must defend anybody who has given some confidence, invested confidence in the government of which we are all part, and let this punish the government. We must defend everything. If we don't defend them, then we are all wasting.
Na Mahama Yarega Kasana ene minority leader Keso Atoforsen. Sorry, no say munyabotre. Ayana mo say Harry na Idrisu no kasa. Mo say finance minister by fear ha. Eden ba no kan because bofuna no kan asha me said antiase. Aso fita na sha no me hu bi no kan. Mayenti Keso Atoforsen. And Sema
Today, this is your terminal report. This is your terminal report.
I see there. Why terminal report? No. Finance Minister terminal report. There be chain. My main policy. My enquiry. My starting. Maybe I want it. I see this is your terminal report. Terminal report. They see a man with school more. Into my exams. And yeah, Finance Minister exam. You take a start of forcing.
This is your terminal report. Mr. Speaker, one time I called the minister of a rebond because all what he knows is to engage in borrowings. I once said that this government only knows about one problem, one loan. This is the terminal